wired keyboard from NPET, N-P-E-T. And I'm just gonna show you what's inside, what came inside the box. Here's the plastic wrap. Okay. So here's the keyboard. Right here. Here is the USB that comes with it. The keyboard user manual. It comes with 104 key keyboard layout, 12 multimedia combination shortcuts, gaming inspired, foldable posts. So I'll show you on the back. You flip it over. We can the tilt is, so not a whole bunch. It has this little spot for your wrist. And comes with this card, are you satisfied or not? Register your warranty and share. And I'll show you how I connect it. I have a MacBook Pro. I have a MacBook Pro computer. And since it doesn't have a USB port on the side, it just has these ports. I have an adapter that I use to put this inside. Okay, so now that's connected. This will show up on my computer and it will say introduction to your keyboard. So we push, if your keyboard is working properly and you have an additional USB. So I go to this and I click on the right of the shift. And then I need to say United States. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna try to type in something. And it works. Super simple to set up. And works great with the MacBook Pro. That's what I use it for. Sometimes my space bar gets stuck and it gets frustrating for me, so I like to have another keyboard just to make it easier to type on. And yeah, I really like it. It comes with some shortcuts. You push the FN button and you hold it and you push like a shortcut for the home. Also a shortcut for the volume. And here is the shortcut keys. If you type in the FN and the F1, you get audio, volume up and down, mute, previous track, next track, play, pause, stop, homepage, email, computer, and favorites. And here are the LED lights. They'll tell you if caps lock is on or off. Anyways, I so hope you guys could watch this and hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below and I would answer them the best that I know how. And hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.